So, you just bought yourself a brand new, or well, used printer. Congrats. But you should probably clean it. You have no idea what people have done to their products, the stuff they own. Especially when you buy used, there's a ton of risks that are involved, like broken products or dirty products or who knows what else, stolen products. But I'm here to tell you how to clean a printer the proper way. This is not the proper. Don't do this. Actually, don't. Sarcasm. Anyways,
Just you pretend I never said that.
so today I'm gonna tell you how to clean a printer, and please ignore the fact I'm using paper to not get my hands dirty. I don't have any gloves. I can just roll away when I'm done with them. So you're definitely wondering, why are we in a bathroom when we want to clean the printer? Well, you don't want to get your living room dirty, like I got my hands dirty twice because of this printer. Oh my god. This is not even part of the video anymore. The top is somehow covered in ink. Are you kidding me? How the hell does this even happen? And it's like invisible. It's like invisible too, you can't even see it. Oh my god. It's hard to get it off, but it gets off very well when you just scrub. Wow, it's a pretty good angle.
But you can't exactly be in that angle. You're supposed to be down there where the action is gonna happen.
I hope this is heavy enough. So. Wow, I did some voodoo magic on the printer and that caused my phone to panic and fall. Okay, grab the paper. Grab the paper. Grab the little paper. So this side is completely covered in ink. This top, oh my god. The top is also covered in ink, as I just proved. Like weird green color. So you want to clean your printer? Well, I'm gonna show you right now. Oh no, I just went all over my phone. Should be fine, maybe. Look how dirty it is. See what I mean? Printer very dirty. So yeah, that's how you clean a printer. I'm so sorry, phone. My phone never deserved this treatment. Look how dirty it is, I told you. It's disgusting. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god, that's actually very dirty. I opened her up. Come on, guys. Oh my god, there's still more. McDonald's. Oh my god, how is something this dirty? This is actually a cleaning video for a broken printer. Oh my god, it's coming from everywhere. Hold on. Full blast. No, that's not full blast. Full blast, baby! bugs are actually this much. Oh my god. Gotta clean the bar. A lot of people have definitely touched this. Nope. You stay up here, mister. There's actually quite a lot, which is honestly shocking. Whoa! Stop! Stop doing this to me! Just get good. Just get good. It's gonna be very clean when I'm done. My pants! My pants! Okay, clean it up so it doesn't stick. No. There we go. So that's how we get it out. We just move it a lot. Nope. Nope. No. Oh, my pants! No! I can barely see it. Why can I see it very well on the camera though? That makes no sense. That's very strange. For some reason, more and more keeps coming out. I'm unable to clean it. I'm gonna talk to the very real seller that definitely exists and is not fake, and see what we can do about this. Yeah. Holy crap! Give me this right now. Please don't go all over the place. If I hold you well. Do not stick, you bastard. You absolute... Oh my god. There's actual dirt. Okay. Okay. Stop pissing in my tub so I can grab you. Okay, I can grab this side. Oh my god. It's very heavy with... It's still pissing on my top. Nah. How are we supposed to get this out of here? Oh my god, my pants. Not wearing this to school tomorrow. No way. Unless they somehow become clean. Oh god, my shoes. You know what? My shoes should be fine. Give or take. They're very dark. Shut up. Please. Oh, okay. Do I have good throw? Ow. Do I have good throw? Maybe. Just maybe. If I can, oh god. If I can throw it from here, all the way to the grass, and somehow not hit the concrete, we should be fine.
Oh my god, that is very black. Oh my god, more keeps coming out.
Very much should throw this away. Should have made it. I found it. I should probably get rid of that printer. Oh, only problem is I can't carry it with one hand, so I'm gonna have to stop filming, carry it back to its dump, and only then can I continue recording. Let's hope it didn't do anything too bad now. Okay, buddy. So you did land here. You, how the fuck? Oh, right. I was cleaning that. I went all over here. But that did mean the ink is no longer here because there's water. Are you good now? Oh. The grass isn't. God, this gotta be my worst video on the new channel yet. Yep. Oh, the poor grass. Oh no. Cover it up. Cover it up. Luckily my mom stopped watching my YouTube videos because she thinks they're stupid, and she's right. Oh god. Oh. Okay, I can barely carry it like this because it keeps leaking if I hold it like this, so I'm gonna have to stop filming. Or not. Okay. What is this? Don't care. Plus ratio. Okay. Oh. Only when it touches, or it's like that? I don't even know anymore. I don't even know anymore. That looks burnt, man. Carry. Don't get on the car. Don't get on me. Don't get on anything here. I don't care what this printer does later. Whoa. What is that? What is that? Okay, that's just water. Okay, good. It should stay water. Oh man, I thought I could use the flash in ultra wide. How dare you, Samsung? You lied to me. Oh my god. So what does this explain? Not everything should be a YouTube video because a lot of things can go wrong. Oh, as shown today, oh, my fingers are cramping up. So, don't do everything I do because that will definitely lead to consequences just now. So I'm carrying back to where I got it because, oh my god. Poor fingers. Whoa. More ink on the ground. On me. Now. Okay. Like I knew this printer would be problems. Oh my god. There's grass. Okay guys. I should not have been rude to the printer. It touched grass. So yeah, I don't know what to say. Oh, it uses a similar. No, that's not similar to my monitor at all. That is very different. Oh my god. Come on, man. Oh, there's a person in his car. I hope he doesn't see me. Oh, yeah. That's what I didn't see. And it's on top of this. Very old cupboard. So don't take random printers unless you know they won't cause problems. Food waste. So, yeah, that's about it. Don't do this shit. This is dumb. Cigarette. Shoe. A random shoe. Yeah, it's a bad idea. Thank you guys for watching this Freckle video. I don't know what to say except this was a goddamn nightmare and I should never do it again. Also, I found the bleach. This is the closest thing I can find. So yeah, thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And see you guys later. Bye! Apparently, I was trying to clean this one little space. Okay, it's way better than before. I can't do more because I don't have proper bleach. I only have that. Very well for non-bleach, but like... I went so hard on my watch. I think some exercise. So, thank you, Just Made in Switzerland. You're very epic. You know why? Because you just saved me from an ass whooping. You have any idea how helpful you were? Also, it smells great in here now. It smells like vanilla. Right? No, not vanilla, but it reminds me of vanilla. It's kamilica and wild nuts. No, it's not nuts. It's definitely not. Kostan. Is kamilix in duiga kostania? Kostania. Kostan. I'm starting to forget my own language. Jesus Christ, this is not good. I need to learn my language again. Anyways, this is the paper I used to keep my hands clean before I didn't. Woo. What is this? Oh my god. Don't bring random printer home. There's a reason why it's not at their home.